Are you struggling with the qtsql4 library DLL runtime failure ruining your workflow? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and we're going to clear this error for good. As we get into the manual process for qtsql4 library, you can find a professional maintenance utility for environment stability. This is the qtsql4 library, the Qt4 SQL module. It provides unmanaged routines for database access using various drivers, SQL Server, MySQL, SQLite. It facilitates the data link between Qt4 applications and remote database manifests. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. To fix this properly, reinstall Qt project. Go to the Microsoft website, download both x86 and x64 editions of the Visual C++ Redistributables, and install them. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your application's directory. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing qtsql4 library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodc_r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Using an incorrect or unverified version of qtsql4 library DLL can trigger a domino effect within your runtime environment, causing unrelated professional applications to fail without warning. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. Return to your project with a more stable environment by reviewing the maintenance-related resource linked below for qtsql4 library references. If your workstation is back online and qtsql4 library is running smoothly, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, reliable solutions.